In this video, I will show you how to increase your Android phone refresh rate or display refresh rate in your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your Android phone settings. Open up settings. So from setting right here, go ahead and click on search setting. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in display and hit on search. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to display. Under this display, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to refresh rate. Go ahead and click on refresh rate. So here we go. At this point here, you can switch to 90Hz. Go ahead and click on that. Refresh rate will be adjusted automatically based on the content display, and you are done. With that, the refresh rate of your Android device is going to be more drastically improved. It's that simple. So this is how to increase your refresh rate on your Android phone without any stress. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.